guys, my name is Engineer Faye Matongo, serving as PUE and Youth Coordinator at the Zambia Renewable Energy Association. So ZARENA recognizes that the future of renewable energy depends on young people, our skills, our ideas, our leadership. ZARECON 2026 will bring together over 200 delegates from Zambia, across Africa and beyond, creating a unique opportunity for young people to engage directly with the leaders shaping the renewable energy space. Through the ZARENA Student Chapter, young people are given a rare opportunity to industry exposure, mentorship opportunities, and also career pathways in renewable energy. I'm here to encourage students, young innovators, and early career professionals to sign up for the ZARECON 2026 and be part of the conversation shaping Zambia's energy future. You can visit the ZARECON website for more or follow us on all social media platforms and be part of the global movement towards clean energy.